Hello everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to log in to the computers. So some questions we might have. How do I turn the numbers on? What is caps lock? And what's my username? So your username is a 300 number, and if you're trying to type it in right here and no numbers are coming up, then you need to click this button that says num lock, and you should see a blue light come on. That means you can use these numbers. You can type in your username, which is the 300 number. Type it in. Now, if you're trying to type your password, which is your name, you need to create a capital letter in the beginning and then write the rest. So my name is Katrina, and if you don't capitalize the first letter, then it's not going to work. So you need to hold this shift button down and press that letter one time, and then type the rest of your name in. So I did shift, my first letter capitalized, and then the rest of my name. Now sometimes people aren't able to log in and it says it's not working. That could be because your caps lock is on. So if this blue light is on and you try to do a capital letter and write the rest of your name, then this is what it's actually going to look like. It's actually inversed. So you must find the caps lock key because it shows that caps lock is on. Turn the caps lock off. Now I see that it's off because the blue light is off. Now I can capitalize my first letter by pressing shift and then type the rest of my name in. So I have my 300 number and then my first name and a capital first letter. Now I have my screen pulled up. If I want to get on the internet, I'm going to double click this symbol right here that says Google Chrome. And once that pops up, I'm going to go to this top search bar and delete it by pressing the backspace button. Delete. And then I'm going to type in an address. So for this one, I'm typing in starfall.com. You have to do that at the end of every web address. I actually see that it's right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click it. I hope this video has helped. So you can turn your numbers on by clicking this button and the light will come on. To make a capital, you hold down shift and press that letter. But what if it's still not working when I'm trying to log in? Well, you might have caps lock on, which makes all your letters capital. So check and see if this light is on. If it's on, you need to turn it off. Your password and your username. And then if you want to get on the internet, you click this button and then you can type in the web address here. I hope that you enjoy your computer time. I can log in.